Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to add contacts to your list of contacts on Ping. It's an important feature because it allows you not only to cooperate with others on a given task, but also just to have a chat with them, to share ideas, to update one another on what's going on in your projects. So there are two ways how to do it. The first one is the basic one. It's on your left. There is this contacts tab, and all you need to do is you click on plus and you add a new contact. And if your colleague or friend already has a Ping account, all you need to do is just to type their email address and then click on invite. And as you can see, this person is already in your contacts. You click great, and if you click with your left mouse button, you will see the details of your contact. So the contact name, the avatar, email address, and you can even assign a task to them. So this is one way. And the second way is simply to create a task. So for instance, let's say that you need to make a call, or you need someone to make this call for you, and you decide who should do it. You choose a person, and let's imagine that your colleague or friend does not have a Ping account yet. So all you need to do is just, to invite them. So again, you type their email address here. Yes, and you click invite to Ping. You can enter their name, nickname, whatever you wish. You click save. And as you can see, this person is already sort of added to your contacts list, and there is a notification that they are invited to Ping. So that means that when they accept your invitation and create a Ping account, you will have them properly added to your contacts list. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. And see you next time. Don't forget to check our other tutorials which are waiting for you. Have a good day. Bye bye.